Good morning, friends. For 10th standard, we have started chapter number 1. In chapter number 1, we have completed two topics, that is Euclid division method and prime factorization. Today, we want to discuss a little more something related with the prime factorization method and deeply go related with the HCF and LCF. So, first of all, we must know what is the meaning of HCF, what is the meaning of LCF. So, HCF means highest common factor, LCM means least common factor. HCF means highest common factor, LCM means least common factor. Now, first of all, we know that prime factorization method, we know prime factorization method means we have to make a prime factor of it, that already we have doing in primary level. Now in this 10th standard we have to use the prime factor to find out HCF and LCF. So first of all we have to go the definition of HCF and LCF. So definition of HCF, that is highest common factor, product of the smallest power of each common factor. Product of the smallest power of each common factor. Product means what? Multiply. Power of each common factor. Common means what? If I will do some prime factor and between them some common prime numbers are there. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So now we have to go on with example. Again definition of HCF, that is clear. Common prime factor. Now LCM, product of the greatest power of all prime factor. Product of the greatest power of all prime factor. All we can say involving factor. So now if you see what is the difference between here, that we can understand by example. Here, if you will see properly, find LCM and HCF of 6 and 20. So 2 digit terms are there, and in next 3 digit terms are there. So in 2 digit 6 and 20 is there. So what I have to do first? Prime factor of 6, that is to the power 1, multiply by 3 the power 1. 20 means to the power 2, multiply by 5 the power 1. So if someone don't know how to do, then we can do the prime factorization method. So 6 factor, that is to the power 1, to the power 1. 20 factor to the power 2, to the power 1. Now according to the definition HCF, according to the definition HCF means common factor. First of all we see, so here common is 2. Now smallest power, so smallest power is here to the power 2, here to the power 1. So to the power 1 is the smallest, so HCF is 2. Now LCM, product of the greatest power of whole prime factor. Greatest power of prime factor. So already we have written prime factor 2, 3 and 5. Prime factor, power, greatest power. So first of all I have to write 2, 3 and 5. Now power I have to say, so to the power 2, to the power 1 and 5 the power 1. To the power 2 that is 4, 3 the power 1 means 3, 5 the power 1 means 5, 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 16. So my LCM is 16. So it is the best example, or we can say proper understand easily. And in board exam, these type of questions are asked in either MCQ or blank and true or false. And 2 marks question which should be also asked. So one more example already I am written at here, that is 6, 70 to 120. I think write this and try to solve this and give me the answer of it. I hope you have cleared this. So now we go for more sums. So again factor of 6, 72, 120. So factor of 6 already here. Now we want to do the factor of 72 and factor of 120. So someone don't know how to do factor of 72. We can do it by prime factorization method. That is 72, we have to divide it by 2. Here we can say 36, again 2, 18, again 2, 9, again 3, 3, again 3, 1. Same thing you can do for 120 also. Same thing we can do for 120 also. So factor of 6 already we know. Factor of 120 that we have to do. And factor of 6 already we know. So first of all we have to do the factor of 128 here. Now start from 2. When 0 is there, it should be by 2 or 5. Again 60, again 2, again 2, 15, again 3, 5, again 5, 1. So already we know the factor of 6, that is to the power 1, 3 to the power 1. Now factor of 72, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 2 to the power 3 into 3 2 times. So 3 to the power 2. Now 120, 1, 2 and 3. So 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. Now we can easily find out HCF and LCM. What is the first target? We have to make a prime factor of it. That is prime factor of 6, that is 2 and 3. Prime factor of 72. So if I will do by 2, 36, do by 2, 18, do by 2, 9, again 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. So to the power 3 and to the power 2. Now 120. So 2 we can do 60, again 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5 and 5 and 1. Now give me the answer of HCF and LCM. Give me the answer of HCF and LCM. I think you can HCF. So you can find out easily HCF and LCM. So give me the answer of HCF and LCM. Just give me the answer of LCM and HCF. Anyone get answer of it? What is the step to write this? That is, first, what is the common product of the smallest power of each common factor? Product of the smallest power of each common factor. So what is the common factor between these 2 and 3? So I have to write 2 and 3. Now smallest power. What is the smallest power? Smallest power. To the power 1, 3 to the power 1. So 1. So that is answer is 6. Now LCM. What I have to do? Product of the greatest power of all prime factors. So first of all I have write the prime factor, that is 2 into 3 into 5. Now greatest power. Where is the greatest power? If you will see to the power 3, so I have to write to the power 3, 3 to the power 2, to the power 2, and 5 to the power 1. So to get answer to the power 3, that is 8. to the power 2, that is 9. And 5. 8 5 is 40. 40 into 9, 360. So 360 is a correct answer. 360 is a correct answer. That is called LCM. So whether it is 2 term, whether it is 3 term, but to find out LCM is a common way. What we have to do? Make a prime factor. First we have to make a prime factor. Then we have to find out the, for LCM, common prime factor we have to find with least power. And for LCM we have to find out right whole prime factor with the greatest power. Now another thing we should note that when find out HCF should not greater than the smallest number. So here smallest number is 6. So it should be either 6, not greater than 6, but smaller than 6 may be possible. So here if you will see HCF, you will find out that is 6. So either 6 or smaller than 6, but not greater than 6. Same thing LCM. Either LCM is 360. It means greatest number is 120. So LCM may be possible that we can get 120 or greater than 120, but not smaller than 120. If you are concept, when you are doing the HCF LCM in your mind, if you make a concept that HCF should be always smaller than the smallest number, and LCM must be always greater than the greater number or number itself. Let me do now exercise 1.2, question number 2 and 3. So again definition, if we have to understand perfect, then it is easy to solve this. If we know the perfect definition, then it is easy to solve. So we are doing now 26 and first 26 and 91. Find HCF of HCF and LCM. So first 26, 29. Second, so that is 510, 92. 510 and 92. And third, 336, 54. 336, third, 336 and 54. So three sums we have to do now. So give me answer of first. It is easy. So give me the answer of first. So factor of 26, that is to the power 1, 20 to the power 1. Factor of 91, that is 7 to the power 1, 30 to the power 1. Now find out. So we can get now answer easily, that is HCF and LCE. Give me answer of it, because already I will make a factor of it. Now here 592. So if we don't know 510 and 92, then we have to make a prime factor of it. So 510 we have to make a prime factor. That way we have to go. So from we have to do it by 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 1 11. 2 5s are 10. Again 2 5s are 10. So 255. Now 5 plus 5. 10 10 plus 2. 12. So 12 is divided by 3. So it should be divided by 3. Someone says, sir, can we do it by 5? But first prime number after 2, that is 3. So we have to do it by 3. Now 3 is 24. 3 5 are 50. Now if we will count this, it is not divisible by 3. So we go for 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5, 17. So 17 to the power 1. So question number 2. Here question number 2. 510, that is to the power 1, to the power 1, 5 to the power 1, and 7 to the power 1. All are prime factor. Now we go for 92. For 92, again same way we have to go. So when we do the prime factor of it, always what we have to do, remember, even number. So 2 is even number, so it will be divided by 2. 2 4s are, and 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are. Again 2, 23, again 23, 1. So 92, that is to the power 2, and 20 to the power 1. Now give me the answer of HCF and LCM. Give me the answer of HCF and LCM. I am giving you factors. So now it's your duty to give me the answer of this and this. Try to give me the answer of it. I hope you have get the answer. So what is the answer here? Here, if you will see definition, product of the smallest power of each common factor. Product of the smallest power of each common factor. So common factor is at here 13. So 13 is my answer. But now for LCM, I have to write 2 into 7 into 13. That is 14 into 13. So that is our answer. So 13 square 169. 13 square 169 plus 1 we have to 2. 169 plus 13, that is 182. So answer is 182. Let me check that what way is correct or not. So 14 into 13, 4 is at 12, 3 ones are 3, 4, 4 ones are 4, 1, 182. So 182. Now at here 510, 92. Again, product of the smallest power of each common factor. So common factor is 2 only. And smallest power, that is 1. So answer is 2. So 510 and 92. The HCF is 2. Now for LCM, we have to go with 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. Now how many powers are there? Maximum 2. So I have to write 2. Now to the power 2, that is 4. 15 here, if I multiply this, 15 into 4, that is 60, into 17 multiplied by 23. So 17 into 23. So 20 minus 3, 20 plus 3. 20 minus 3, 20 plus 3. So 20 square is 400, 3 square is 9. So 400 minus 9, that is 391. 391 I have to write. 23 square, 23 into 17 when multiple is there, but here between them 20 is a middle term. So 20 plus 3, 20 minus 3. So we get 391. Now I have to just multiply. Here 1 0 we have to put 6 1 are 6, 9 6 are 50, 4 carry 5, 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 5 2 3 4 6 0 is a LCM. So when big multiplies are there, you have to go through it. Means in LCM what we are doing? We are doing divisible and multiplication. So in maths there are four concepts: plus, minus, multiple and divisible. So here we are doing multiplication and here we are doing divisible. One more sum, 336 and 54. Now try to solve 3. We have to third sum we have to solve. So try to solve the third sum, that is 336 and 336 and 336 and 54. Give me the answer of it. 336 and 54. Now 336. So again we have to do 336. What is the simple way? We have to go through 2. 2 1s are 2 6 are again 2 8s are 2 1s are 2 13 is there 2 6 are 12 1 carry 16 2 8s are again 2 8 into 4 again 2 14 2 again 2 21 again 3 7 again 7 1. So factor of 336, that is important, that we have to write 1 2 3 4. So to the power 4, to the power 1, 7 to the power 1. Now 54. Again 2, 27, again 3, 9, again 3, 1. So for 54, 1 and 3 the power 3. Now give the answer of it. So for HCl to the power 1 to the power 3, both have common factor 2 and 3. So I write 2 and 3. Now smallest power to the power 1 to the power 1. So answer is 6. Now LCM. I have to write over the prime factor, that is 2 into 3 into 7. Greatest power, so 4, 2 and 1. So to the power 4, that is 16. Into 9 into 7. 16 9s are 144 into 7. So 2 to the 4 we get to the 16 to the power 2 means 9. 16 9s are 144 into 7 we have to do. Write this now. I hope you have written it. Now 3 digit sums we have to do, that is 12, 15 and 21. Now 3 digit sums are there, that is 12, 15, 21. We can do whole sums by only prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, that is 12 first, 12, 15 and 21 and 21. So it is easy. Afterwards 17, 23, 29. Second, 17, 23 and 29. And third, 8, 9, third, 8, 9 and 20. Now try to give me answer of it. Already I have dictated all 3. 12, 15, 21. So I have to write first prime factor of 12. So first sum, that is 12 to the power 2 to the power 1, 15 to the power 1 by the power 1, 21 to the power 1, 7 to the power 1. Now to find out HCF and LCM, do it yourself because it is easy. Your second sum, 17 factor, that is 17, 23 factor is 23, and 29 factor is 29. So when no common term is there, we have to take HCF as a 1. We have to take HCF 1. But LCM you have to multiply 17 into 23 into 29. So 391 into 29 you have to do. Now 8, third sum. I am writing the factor at here. 8 to the power 3, 9 to the power 2, 29, 5 to the power 2. Now there is no common factor here. So HCF of it is 1 because no common prime factor. The LCM we have to write, that is whole prime factor I have to write with maximum power. So 8 into 9 into 20. Easiest way you have to give the answer. Multiply here, if you will see properly, 2, 3, 5, 7. No common number is there. So I will write answer LCM is always 1. What is LCM? That is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now LCM is maximum power I have to take 1, 1, 1. So multiply and give me answer of all these 3 terms. 3 questions are there. I hope you have get the answer of it. What is the answer already? First, to the power 2, that is 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 5 are 60, 6 7 are 420. So answer is 420. When we are doing this type of sums, make answer by black color or make square box. That is good for us. Here we have clear. Here HCF is 1. Now 17, 23, 29. 17, 23, 29. So 17 into 23. 20 plus 3, 20 minus 3. 20 plus 3, 20 minus 3. So 20 minus 3 and 20 plus 3. So 20 minus 3, 20 plus 3, that is 400. 20 square is 400. 400 minus 9, that is 391. If I want to multiply 17 into 23, I will get 391. Now multiply by 29. We can get answer. Here if you will see properly, HCF is 1. 8 9s are 72. That way you can do 25 8s are 400. 25 8s are 200 into 9. 25 8s are 200 into 9. 25 4s are 100. If you do it double, then 200 into 9. That is 1800. So 1800 is the answer. So exercise 1.3, already we have discussed the prime factor of 3 terms and 2 terms, and by using it we have find out HCF and LCF. Now one more topic that we have to discuss at here, how to find, if HCF is given we can directly find out LCF. If LCM is given, we can directly find out HCF. But it is applicable for only 2 terms. That is, if A and B are the two terms, then we can find out. So that we now we have to write that LCM A comma B multiplied by LCM A comma B is equal to A multiplied by, also we can say verify it. What? LCM A comma B multiplied by LCM A comma B is equal to A multiplied by B. So to find out LCM, if I want to find out LCM A comma B, then A multiplied by B divided by LCM. Again adding, or we can say LCM A comma B, A multiplied by B upon LCM. So you will understand this. To find out LCM by using two terms are important. Now one questions are there. If HCF is 9, find out LCM. So we can find out by using this. So one example here, 96 and 404. 96 and 404. Question is find HCF is 4. So when HCF is given and to find out LCM, we can directly do one sum. 96 is there. 96 and 404. And HCF is given 4. A comma B. 4 is given. HCF is given 4. Now to find out LCM, what we have to do? To find out LCM. So LCM A comma B. A multiplied by B. So LCM, that is 96 into 404 divided by 4. So 101. So 96 multiplied by 101. 96 multiplied by 101, you will get 9696. That is your answer of LCM. So by using this, we can also find out LCM if HCF is given. We can also find out HCF if LCM is given, or just in question verify that, then we can also verify it. That important formula that you have to write it now. So I hope that you have understand this topic today. So 1.2 exercise that we have to complete now. 1.1 also we have to complete. Now in next topic we can go for decimal expansion, or we can say terminate or non-terminating. Terminating number and non-terminating. Again, for your good health, always use SMS, that is S means what? Sanitize, M means mask, and social distance, that you have to follow. So 1.2 you have to do as a homework, and in fair book you have to also complete this.